Hi guys! For today's video, lulutuan ko yung alaga ko ng banana avocado pancake. Yan. Okay. Banana and avocado. Yan. Pancake. Yan. Ito yung avocado guys. Then, 1 egg. And then, yung banana, mas mix lang naman. Masarap to. Para to sa alaga kong baby, pancake. So, ayan na siya guys. So, ayan guys, lutuin na natin. Guys,
ito na yung banana avocado pancake.